Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is being great out there. As you guys can see in the title today, it is a Shein haul. I did say I wasn't going to do any more hauls, but I got a couple of tops from them. I will still style those tops in later video. So if you guys really like this, let me know and I would definitely style them in the next video. If you'd like to see what your girl got from Shein, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. The first top I got is this lilac looking crop top. Most of the shirt I got are all crop top, but there are some really nice other shirt that I got also. It is this lilac purple kind of crop top. The only thing about this crop top is I wish this down here was a little bit a little bit tighter on the waist area. It is pretty loose, but right other than that, it is gorgeous. It has this tie on the hand over here, and also on the other hand you could tie it and make it as tight as you want the hands to be. But it is such a beautiful, gorgeous top with a nice high-waisted pants, a nice jeans, a nice tight or whatever. I think this would work pretty well. So actually you could transition with this also. Put you could wear this, a nice pair of jeans, a booty or boots, a thigh high, whichever one works for you. I think this will really be a good transition with a nice sweater or a jacket. You could really transition pretty well with this top. I really like this. It is silky kind of material. I got this in a size small, and they said it's 97% cotton and 30% polyester, but it is beautiful. It is gorgeous. The color, man, it is so cute. This shirt right here is one of my favorite shirts that I got in this haul. It is this beautiful brown tan color tie up crop top. It is really cute. It has this balloon sleeve, man. Y'all see how big the sleeve is? It is pretty big and very giving. It is very giving, very big. So if you want, you could go down size. I mistakenly got a medium in this, but I'm okay with it. I could style it in any way that I want. You could put it on the shoulder, you could tie it off the shoulder. I think I tried it off the shoulder and on the shoulder. But this is such a very beautiful shirt. Very cute, classy, and beautiful. And you could also transition with a nice tank under it or a nice t-shirt, and then put this on top of it, tie it up, and wear your pair of jeans with it, and you are good to go. This is a very beautiful top. Okay, the next top I got is this top that has been going on online all summer. I'm like, I need to get my hand on this shirt, okay? I need to get my hand on it and see how it looks and feel on my body. So it is this, okay, the front is the one. This top, I know everybody and their mama has this top in your closet. It is such a beautiful top. If you are confident enough, you can wear this just the way it is. And to me, I am going to wear it, but I'm going to wear like one of the shirt I'm going to show you to you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to wear it. I'm going to wear that on top of it to go anywhere, because I'm not that, first of all, I'm not that blessed up here. I have enough, you feel me? But I'm not that blessed to fill out this whole hole that I know it's not much looking on my hand at the moment, but once you guys see the video, you guys see what it looks like on me. It is such a beautiful top. It makes my girls look really perky and nice. Even though the breasts I don't really fit 3 kids, you know what I mean? But you make them look really perky and really nice. And I think you can style this in any way, because I think I've seen people wear it like the way, you know, they cross both of them on one side, double cross on the back and the front. Whichever way you think is cool for you, you can wear this top. It is a very small top. The top that I really like, it is this little crop shirt right here. What got me on this shirt is what? It's the sleeve for me, baby, okay? This sleeve right here, it's everything. This sleeve is so big and so cute. I really like it. You guys see what it looks like? It's really cute. It looks like a corset, but it's not. Where your chest is, it's like this. You guys will see it in the video. And it's a V in the front right here, and then the back is just short like that. It is so beautiful. It does have this little details right on top of it right here. It has these details on it. Don't mind my finger, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get it done. But I got a size large in this, which is an 8-10. A 6 would have done me better, which is a medium. But it's okay. I'll make it work. I'll make it do. At least I'll wear it like this and stuff, or something like that. It does come with these sticky things that will stay on your shoulder and it won't move at all. But this shirt right here, and it's proof right here to the elbow. Then from there down, it is straight. It fits pretty well. And it does have a little bit, very stretchy. That's the reason why I said I got me a medium. I didn't know. I thought it was like 100% cotton material, but it is like pretty. Okay guys, the next top I got is this green minty colored shirt, crop top. It looked like this shirt right over here because they have the same sleeve situation going on. But this one has no stretch, nothing whatsoever, and this is from their premium line. So premium line is one of those lines that they have that the quality is much better than the other ones that they have. So it is like this. It has to have a button right on at the end of the hand right over there. It has this crunchy, this elastic thingy at the back, but not at the front, so you could get in and out. It's pretty good in this. I got this in a size small, so that's why I wish I would have gotten that in a size small or medium or something like that. So it fits pretty well, pretty deep V on the chest area, and it has all this ruching on the side also. Such a beautiful top, classy, beautiful, nice high-waisted pants with this one also. And you are guys, another crop top that I got is this top right over here. I got it in a medium, which is a 6. It is so cute, guys. So beautiful, so cute. It has no stretch either. It's like a linen material with it. It has all these lines and stuff not line, all this where they sew it in front of it, and it does come with the buttons. He has, like I told you guys, no stretch whatsoever. If you want it the way it fits me, then stay with this size or stick to your size. You don't have to go up or you don't have to go down, but if you don't think it will fit you, then you can go a little bit up. It has no stretch, like I said. It's sleeveless, very simple, very casual kind of top. Okay guys, the next shirt that I got is another crop top, but it's like a blazer kind of crop top. It is such a beautiful green and such a beautiful out shirt. It has a long sleeve, beautiful long sleeve, and it has a wrap. With that wrap, you can go and wrap it together, and there's a button at the end of this wrap. Wrap it around and button it up, and you look so snatched. Okay, you're gonna be looking real cute, real nice. You cannot wear this to work, yet it has a blazer. It looks like a blazer and stuff like that. But if you can at your workplace, if you want to, then go ahead, baby, do you. But for me, I cannot wear this to work. But this is a nice, beautiful brunch kind of shirt that I'll put on with a nice high-waisted pants with either a flat or a heel, either one. This shirt right here will be looking really, really cute and really, really nice. I really like this. One of my favorite also. I know I said so many times that this is my favorite, but this right here is going into regular shirts. This right here, right, is from their premium line also. It does look like this. I know it's rough right now, but by the time I steam it up and stuff, it will look really nice. So it comes like this. It has this tie thingy in the front that you tie around yourself. You tie around yourself to give you a little bit of snatch. It does come with a button on the inside area right here where you can button this two together and wrap this around yourself as many times as you feel it's good for you. And yeah, this is this top right here. It is a green, beautiful top. It has this I think you can wear to work, but just wear like a camo underneath it. This I would definitely wear to work. I'll wear a nice tank on the inside of it, wear nice high-waisted pants under it also, and yeah, I would definitely wear this to work. This is really cute. really classy and really chic. And it does come with extra button on the inside. It is gorgeous. I know it looks like, I think I'm gonna show you such a loving. Show my walangolo. Okay guys, the next top I got is this white top right over here. It looks like a regular button-up shirt in front, like you could button it up with the collar and everything, but then you turn it around, it is literally opened and just this one tie at the back. This is cute to me. I really like this. It is white, so I'm gonna move back a little bit so you guys can see. So it's like literally separated from each other, and when you put it on, you put on this top that you button it up in front, and then the back is really open. The way I wore it is the way I'm definitely gonna wear it. A nice bralette or a nice crop top on the inside with a tights at the bottom, either a biker short or jeans, whatever make you feel comfortable, but that's the way I'm going to style this. A nice long skirt too, midi style skirts all the way down to the ankle. Beautiful. This is so gorgeous to me. I really like it, and I really enjoy putting this on. What I got is this white laced eyelet shirt right over here. This is such a cute. I got this to wear with that crop top that I told you guys. This shirt right over here. I'm just gonna pair both of them together with a nice pair of jeans or a biker short or either one. I think it's gonna look really cute to wear together like that if I'm going out anywhere and about. So yeah, it is just beautiful. Another white shirt and just regular white shirt. Something I could be able to wear to work too. Put a nice tank or nice tank top on the inside, and yeah, it's a go. And a nice beautiful pocket, really cute, really nice, and all these holes all over it. Just give it a little let the air breathe into your body a little bit with this heat that we have going on. And it's also have a button right. Okay, another one that I got is just this simple little shirt, this orange shirt right over here. It is also a very simple shirt, button up. These shirts, I got them to be able to wear them with either when I have like a tank top that I want to wear and I want something covered. A fun fact about me is my arm, I'm really not a fan of it. It's too big for me, and I have, when I lost weight, I have skin hanging everywhere. So it's like, yeah, I do have a little bit of that insecurity with me. So whenever I wear some tank top piece, something like that, I tend to want to wear a shirt like this, a baggy shirt on top of it. But this one actually I should wear by itself. You wear this and wear a nice baggy shirt under it, button like one or two of it up with your bra on the inside. This is really cute, and it does also have a tie on the side. Very cute, very classy, very girly. I really like. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which of the shirts you guys like best and which one you also copying for yourself. Don't forget to go in the comment section and just let's talk. Have a conversation with me in the comment section, and I'm ready to reply you guys back. Ask me any question you want to ask, and I'll definitely be replying you back. So if you enjoyed this video and you are new on the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave out this video. And if you are already a good subscriber, thank you so much for watching it all the way to the end. You guys are the real MVP. Until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.